Step into the 2013 Ford Fiesta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 6-speed automatic transmission. Ford paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.